Transform your living space and create a serene shelter with these 10 home decorating rules that will change your life. Embarking on a home decorating project can be both exciting and daunting, but fear not. We're here to guide you through this journey with 10 essential rules that will transform your home into a haven of tranquility and style. From creating a stunning focal point to achieving the perfect balance, each rule serves its unique purpose in home decorating. These rules are not just about creating an aesthetically pleasing space, they're about creating a home that reflects your personality and makes you feel at ease the moment you step through the door. So, get ready to be inspired and learn how to transform your home into your dream living space. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we help you make your home a haven. Rule number 1, every room needs a focal point. It's the showstopper, the main attraction. It's what your eyes are naturally drawn to when you enter a space. Think of it as the star of your room. This could be anything from a beautiful fireplace to a striking piece of artwork or a captivating piece of furniture. The focal point gives your room a sense of direction and anchors your design. It's what you build the rest of your interior around. Remember, the focal point is the star of the room. The second rule of home decorating is balance. Like the scales of justice, balance in home decorating means distributing visual weight evenly. It could be symmetry, such as placing matching lamps on either side of your couch, or asymmetry, with different objects creating an overall equilibrium. Balance isn't just about furniture. It extends to color, texture, and even lighting. Achieving balance doesn't mean things have to be identical, just that they complement each other. Remember, a balanced room is a beautiful room. Rules 3 to 5 are about color, proportion, and scale. Let's dive into these game changers, shall we? First off, color. Think of color as the magic wand that sets the mood of your space. A warm hue can make a room feel cozy and inviting, while a cool shade might lend an air of calm and serenity. But remember, it's not just about picking a color, it's about creating a palette that harmonizes. Next up, proportion. This is all about the size relationship between objects in a room. A giant sofa in a small room? That's a no-no. You want your pieces to communicate with each other, not shout over one another. Lastly, we have scale. This refers to how an item relates to the size of the room itself. A small painting may look lost on a large wall, while a big, bold piece can command attention and set the tone for the space. So, there you have it. With the right color, proportion, and scale, you can transform any space. Let's move on to rules 6 to 8, texture, lighting, and adding your personal touch. Rule 6 is all about texture. Texture creates depth and interest in a room. Think about incorporating a variety of materials, like smooth silk cushions, rough wooden furniture, or plush carpets. These different textures will give your space a dynamic feel. Next, we have Rule 7, lighting. Lighting sets the mood of your space. Soft, warm light can create a cozy, relaxing atmosphere, while bright, cool light can make a space feel energetic and productive. Remember to consider the function of each room when choosing your lighting. Finally, Rule 8, adding your personal touch. Your home should reflect you. Incorporate items that tell your story, whether it's a piece of art you love, a collection of books, or family photos. This personal touch will make your space truly feel like home. These elements can make your home feel more inviting and personal. Finishing up with rules 9 and 10, consistency and experimentation. First up, consistency. It's essential in creating a cohesive and harmonious space. Think about it like a symphony. Every instrument plays a different note, but they all work together to create a beautiful piece of music. Your furniture, color choices, and decor items are those instruments. They should all play together nicely. Now, on to experimentation. This is your chance to let your creativity shine. While consistency helps to create harmony, experimentation adds that personal touch that makes your home uniquely yours. It's about breaking the rules, trying something new, and seeing what works. Mix and match patterns, play with unconventional color schemes, or bring in an unexpected piece of furniture. It could be the wow factor that takes your space from good to great. Remember, your home is a reflection of you. Be consistent, but don't be afraid to experiment. And there you have it. 10 home decorating rules that can change your life. From creating a focal point to finding the perfect balance, every rule can make a significant impact on your living space. Remember, color, proportion, and scale are crucial in any design, but don't underestimate the power of texture, lighting, and a personal touch. Consistency is key, yet don't shy away from experimentation. These rules aren't rigid laws, but flexible guidelines designed to help you create a home that reflects you. So, play around with them, bend them, make them yours. After all, your home should tell your story. What do you think of these rules? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter.